Not always are subcompact tractors used to do land work. Today we're going to try something a little bit different. First we're going to pick up some logs just to show you the capabilities and help out a good friend, and then after that we're actually going to go get a pool table. Alrighty, well that wasn't so bad. I was in the neighborhood, so my buddy went ahead and asked me that since I had the tractor here and we're gonna go pick up a pool table. In the meantime, while I was waiting for my cousin to come so we can go get that pool table, he said, why don't you go ahead and come help me out with these little tree trunks, right? So it wasn't bad. If you noticed, it was they were pretty big, but it was only 3 big ones. The other one we were actually able to put up in the back of his truck. We put them in there and he's gonna later haul those off. But those 3 big ones, I'm telling you, they were heavy. I don't know if you could tell by the way the tip of the tractor would actually sway a little bit. They were really heavy. So he got them out of the way now, and now he can kind of clean around his house. So that wasn't too bad. Now I'm just waiting for my cousin to show up. As soon as he shows up, he went to go get some dollies, some very heavy duty dollies that his co-workers are gonna let him borrow from the mechanic shop. He's gonna get those, and then we're gonna drive over there to where the pool table is. I haven't seen the pool table, but I was told that it was extremely heavy. It has some kind of they said concrete, but it's definitely not concrete. All I'm thinking that it has some kind of ceramic underneath it that is probably making it really heavy. But the idea that I'm trying to do is that we're gonna try to pull it out with dollies where I can actually reach it with a fork, not the forklift, the tractor. Put my forks underneath it, tilt it nice and slow, and then lay it up against the bucket. Hopefully it fits on the bucket. Then once we put it on the bucket, we'll be able to actually drive it up onto the trailer and strap it down and good to go. That's the idea. All right, guys. Not exactly sure how it's gonna go, but we're gonna give it a try, and we're gonna see what the little subcompact tractor can actually do. And there it is. I know you guys might have thought that we didn't strap it down good, but look at this. We got a strap going all the way across. We got a strap going this way. This little tractor put in some work. See, there's multiple uses for a subcompact tractor, right? All right, so it wasn't too bad to load it up. If you got to see, we just drove it right up on there. Thing is that his house lives up there on the hill, so I'm not gonna drive the truck up there. I'm just gonna try to push it up with the tractor. This is really heavy pool table. It struggled to even get up on the trailer, so we're gonna see how it's gonna do going up the hill to up there, and then we're gonna get it situated. And that's a job well done for the subcompact tractor. Came out pretty nice. Those dollies really came in handy. There it is. Still gotta put the borders on, but not too bad. Good job. All right, time to load this tractor up, and then I'll see you at home. All right, guys, we are home and tractor's unloaded. We're ready to call it a day. It was actually fun. Same time, a little bit nerve-wracking because we were a little bit nervous about scratching up the pool table. I know my cousin, he was pretty cool about it, but at the same time, I was also kind of nervous that whenever we're gonna lay it on the actual bucket itself, that it wasn't gonna lay flat, that maybe it would tip over. That's why I strapped it down. So again, I really just wanted to have fun and see what this little subcompactor can really do, and then show you guys that maybe are in the market of getting a subcompact tractor, right? Because I know it's a big commitment, guys. It took me a while to convince my wife about buying one. I wanted one for like a whole year. I kept trying to tell her why I needed one, and finally she came around and said, all right, then go ahead and buy it. It was a big $20,000 debt that we put on ourselves, but I can't regret it, because not only has it moved around a pool table, it moved around bales of hay. It has helped me do so much around the house that I do not regret it. So I do advise you guys, keep on looking for ideas that you may need a tractor for, and convince your wife. Make that decision of buying that subcompact tractor, because it comes in handy so much around the house, especially if you're out there working by yourself. I mean, it will save your back in the long run, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. It was a good day. Again, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for liking the video. Comment anything else you might want to see the tractor doing. I am working on doing a video about how long it takes that subcompact tractor to actually pull out a tree trunk. All right, so I'm working on that, but I will get it uploaded hopefully here pretty soon. So again, thank you for being here. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, get out there and have fun.